Why does your scanner show the P1406 engine code? And what does it mean? The P1406 engine error code stands for Exhaust Gas Recirculation Position Sensor Performance. The P1406 engine code indicates a problem with the exhaust gas recirculation position sensor, meaning the sensor that monitors the position of the EGR valve within the engine is malfunctioning and not sending accurate readings to the car's computer, affecting the engine's emissions and performance. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty EGR valve. EGR position sensor malfunction. EGR valve circuit problems. EGR tube issues. Vacuum leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This code especially occurs in General Motors GM vehicles from the 1990s and early 2000s, including brands like Chevrolet, GMC, Cadillac, Buick, and Pontiac. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.